The challenge where they now for Cameroon, no be Africa. The challenge, you know what's next one I don't born. Born will be ready. The one where the challenge for downtown for Cameroon and say, go and born. You know the chuma go and born. That man born you buy pampers. I don't know what you go and born. I remember my baby Paris basket. When I take on a granny, say I bought me basket. Oh no, I'm giving some born. When I say baby Paris some pampers. When I say me milk. When you want to have for straight man. See, I want to understand it. So for some way, it is gonna not laugh. Because nobody pick up and want to make a way. Things that people don't understand. Me don't understand a fight. I want to go and born. Before I talk about me, I go push bikini. See, they were there. I mean, 10 years of man, they never born. Now they born now. Now you know I feel baby Paris is the wear pampers. Now they born, you know, baby Paris is the wear clothes. Oh, no, I mean, push me, say, oh, go and born. No man, never wire me even paper. I'll make a camping my paper for you when I'm wire me. I don't follow on a mom now. The man don't laugh. I don't follow on a mom now go born. The people don't take none for my hand one. The paper is everything now for me. Now so 237 now so Cameroon day. You ain't know understand.
Welcome back to another video. It is your one and only chubby princess, US-based blogger, Hotbox 237. Una see any other one, una slapping na me a talk. If una see any man with the bed the name Hotbox, una kiki na me una beshkila don't talk. I welcome all my new subscribers them. I thank you for this house na glory to glory. For this house na shining to shining. For this house, my know what's the beshkila me. Pack go. You know that big tongue, big boutique where he own followers and are granders. So they call it, it's against soldiers them. Where most of them are granders them. You go put right up for Facebook. Who can comment? The guy that can just say, go call your soldier, they can fight for you. See man where you go handle it, fight your fight. See man where you go handle it, say you go put your mouth for you. So I go sue you for court. You get donkey where you go sue Villa Mama for court. You get since we wait best me reach Dubai. The new story say they go rich. You know work at Tonto, that work at Tuma, what work at for the whole Dubai Tuma run go back around and say you don't go fight case for people there. Now they big boutique come say they go hold Villa Mama. Look at own level where they go like Villa Mama. Villa Mama put don't call you big tongue boutique. They don't call you for the social media. They are heavy lips. They don't call you PD, call you all kinds of things. You don't go sue them. You go sue na Villa Mama, go sue you. Sang dossier, sang papier. You are go sue na person to Villa Mama. You report your account. The Cameroon and this one are wicked. The nation don't coach for the social media, coach for the social media. No man never ever report your account. Una come. Small picking could the shop for morning time. Small picking could the shop for morning time. Una can't never go to report for the account them. Big boutique. You don't get a strategy with users so advise you. But get to Tanamo because by the time I will light my camera for your back, you don't know say na me Hotbox I will talk for you. Yes. Now bomb to the talk for you, big boutique. Me. I mean the community cleaner now we. Anybody don't see big fight for social media now we will be community cleaner. We clean the community. Anybody can get the team now. If you been a saying for move their baby tongue so drag her like a tagger for 10,000. We go drag her so put her for damn idiot. You go to report Villa Mama your council waiting. The Villa Mama don't call the coach you. You go coach Carol and copies them because what I say if fan they can meet up. You know Carol and copies all hit 20,000 subscribers, 20,000 something subscribers. You do count there at Janja Moto. You are going to attack Carol and copies coach them because say you want to say me that follow they can follow you as soon as the same to na do mama atalaku. Content don't finish now. Content don't finish you now see. He say now you want to create content for day. Yes, the same way we use mama atalaku that name. You talk so you talk at it today. Marriage go up, marriage come down. What the marriage concern you now how? Now jealousy and hatred. Now you go remain so. As a shall you go remain so. Now me I talk. They are small things they don't pay for your head now so they are level that you remain only so. But when you talk to people, they are hold their show where I look at they just say no. You talk so small sense. You answer we. You don't answer all their small Ghana. Ghana they say no me I talk I say Ghana are very dull people them. No me I talk. One of the grand that talk say una be very dull people. If I say Ghana na very dull people, they start una CEO. Very dull. And una see una mentor. Una see person to go do tumarization. He must learn dress na for una mentor. Because he can't dress in the men. Like I know you understand. The whole coach is cyclist. Coach, he go bring the fair one when sport wear. Una mentor don't answer una say, "Mona know you work at 10 people they say go and born." Man, what if I hear that una know don't say people go and born, go and born. Let's be go and born. I will remind una this una see or talk today. It's not una put it for the nonsense. It's it to say go and born. Be they say go and born. You know carry belle no be prepared. Even if you know say do belle. But you are proof point wrong now. Belle go enter. Neither they regret. Say picking that percent no day. You know me I talk and I open him up talk. Una don't hear for the beginning of this no. Now you open him up talk. So no say now so you go put it shop, go put basket for picking them. Una can use and koshi. Because if you prove a point, say go and born. See, if I hear any grand that open a big mouth like a big boutique on air, he try talk say make two people go born. That born go kill una for day. He go kill una. Una remember so. So una grand that una see or don't really answer una. So una no ever talk to people go and born because una put it for mess. The earlier una start contribute money pass go to support Paris for day, the better for una. Money go be na for go buy banger. Money go be na for buy ya for or he mix sure they mix and drink am. Carry, don't mix his schedule for a day. When you come one time, she not take a lot of banger, drink a lot of whiskey, go sleep. Now you keep Paris outside. I still not get regard for picking them. So now why that way? If you so now why yes, don't carry back and feed that picking. Una look out. Ghana, I want rest for the social media concerning go and born. At the camp today for now, I want rest concerning go and born. It is regret now. Before I enter I bring for I say about people at time una so very much for una orders they wanna order for the skincare. The orders they keep. I say will be short of so I say will be short. They say demand and supply. Demand over high. You don't make them a CEO to take skincare. It daily night as I tell una so. Inside industry they produce. It's a way to go gain. Where you know go produce una. It's the first 20 people they go ahead for order to take skincare. He order carry he come on for Beshkelian. He say you just gotta say I come on for Beshkelian. I want my own oil. I want be na so. He give you discount. He give you discount. And any man wey go run go follow you for Tete skincare cosmetic for Instagram, you snap and go show you for messenger for Anita Tete. He give you giveaway. Giveaway na every time. He give giveaway. And if you watch his show, he give you the giveaway. He say all man must shine. All the bitches must shine. Come rain, come sun, una must shine. Any man wey no want shine, I go slappy. Because woman na skin. And this I talk small. If you say me at the cafe no can play, una must shine no. Man no want post for people, una can open on eye say cut me small soap, like una remele so. Or una turn be like the Veshela where it shine for 2 weeks for face, neck up black or show down. Tomorrow, it can as it burn picking pack, it go back for a normal color, worst pass as it be day set. When I go for the taste skincare, I don't want to talk plenty for you because I vex my heart. I don't want to talk. Icho. It is. Yes, my people. Wait to carry me stumble for this house now. Say waiting. Since as they say we no sleep. It like say people they be very naive. I don't call it foolishness. People they be very naive. People they need to one learn. They need to one understand. This social media, yes. Today or tomorrow, when they start caution the Veshela like picking, I hope say una gather them, una go see as the Veshela the coach people picking them, person picking. And I want to ask some question for this house as a married woman, as a boyfriend and a girlfriend. So married woman know everything master they do out of 100 na 50, if you know 50 no. I feel for my master for house. I know say he be businessman. He do na. He sell na women dresses for some shop. I don't know the other business they get to get another money. Who man know all two master they do and forget money. Wait till they carry me go. They carry me go with the case of Mako and this choky baby hair. The Veshela handle this matter where it can be toppy with a lot of emotion, with a lot of jealousy, with a lot of sympathy, with a lot of greed. Veshela handle this matter because if believe say that if you don't pass through that same situation, you know so all document they not that all document be perfect. Most of them surrounding are fake. I never deny. For this case, if Mako, I'll first start to condemn Mako. If Mako it make your doki it knock, it don't threaten you, na bad one. If Mako make your doki it no favor you, it threaten you, na bad one. If he collect your money, he block you. Na bad one. But I want ask you some question for here. Una dey talk say Mako no na document, Mako no na document. Plenty people they call from the version like show to catch my attention and say wetin. That no go follow they call. Now who relate to now for Mako? A lot of people direct to go Mako no. How you go to say go for Mako? When you know say Mako no na document, you know say Mako na fake. Because you don't hear say plenty people they don't use that line pass. They don't use line for Mako pass they go no. Now whether you go for Mako, now whether they refer you go for Mako. And the years on kind of say people they go work and die for that Mako line. People they die for that Mako line. People they say you go pay your money for the Mako, then you go carry yourself go Nigeria. It is very normal. That is, I'm telling you, it is normal. I cut example for myself. I pay money, I pay my transport from Douala. I go reach Abuja. I stay them as you pay your money. So let me see. I cut an example. I feel pay today, person they don't pay yesterday. That person go fair go. Which I go be. I mean I go pay my own balance. I be pay the hotel where I be stay there. If you can't go stay there for 3 months, I mean I go pay the hotel. So if you don't know about docu, keep quiet. And I want to ask you that Mako be the cause of people that people already die. People already die plenty for road. No, that Mako be the problem. And they tell you about the deadly jungle where you take out. They tell you, when no man can lie when I say they never tell they say the jungle be deadly. They tell you now. Now you do want to leave Cameroon. Now you want to leave Pays. When they say turn back na line, follow document instruction. You need to give a follow document instruction. Go make medical. You need to give go make medical. You do wait. You say no, are they fine? I don't do my hospital things. You go now go enter for road, you go die. Una start hold document. Una be normal for the social media. Person go come go reach the Gabon where he get HIV right for Cameroon. He no come out with the medication. He hide for tell his parents say he get sick. His parents even deny say he no go for the line. He force go. He go reach the carry goes to blood he finish for his skin. He go reach die. Una put am for Mako 8. We know somebody life, all man is standing the same. So one they all swear for their hate. Yes. So one they all swear for their hate. Una go die remele so. No na Mako because una family make more balok. No na Mako begins to put the HIV. Mako be job na the escape goat for carry una. Put am for that line. And put the whole pass to that line and what una know be Mako. Okay. All these things they put in place. Mako no do some bad thing the way if you need for me the granny, if you need me to talk for him, whatever talk for him. That case come to the version because he get neck for Chucky baby hair. He will advertise Chucky baby hair. That thing can be toppy. It seems as Chucky baby hair if so give hair me he advertise him. He use the own thing say if you don't pass through that kind of suffer. He just assumes and that's what it happen. Even the document we don't make like 2 or 3 people that line a knock. He would assume as an old man. You know end early for day. You say you write Mako. Mako no respond you. After I can call you, you no pick him. You human can write you. You human ask to say you human ask why you go put mama side picture. They just say you be Mako. You know say that woman no na Mako. But why you want put your right up them? You put the woman in the picture for there and they picking them. You say when they pray say me my first pick wey the sick me die. Now woman that way born picking. My people, they carry Mako picking from the first born to the last. They line up with Mako and woman them. They put up on Facebook because their papa na document. If the Veshela, they line up that picture when they come over your picking picture be leaked, they put up on Facebook. When I go work at the report for the account them, they block them because of their picture leak. Now because you line up Mako picking the awful line so people they cautious so how you feel? How you feel? If they come over attack your friend, put it for picking them from the first 16 years time. Start talk about them. I hope so you no go vex. And tomorrow, granted, if they start coach the Veshela a picking again, I hope so I no go vex. Because if very me, I don't stand for you for defend any picking. Because I mean very me, I can't stand for you say una drop una weapon because the Veshela job una stop for insult the Veshela a picking. Social media crash. I no feel ever coach picking them. But the Veshela the coach for the picking so granted they on a mammy they would have big Bobby there so like organic way. That's so Bobby they sleep with kako they under that 2 foot them. They stand for the coach picking them. When they don't open food for theater, so open food for labor room, shit picking them. Mommy, they when pennies up block their brain. Mommy, the way penis in inside their ear, them. You don't lock that ear, the sperms don't enter, block their brain. They see picking the caution. Una sure no make heaven so. Una sure. My people. They coach me the picking for no nothing. Because that papa na donkey man. Yes, Marco don't even Marco don't make 1 or 2 mistakes. Marco don't threaten people them. Because he fear his own self. He don't do so. Donkey man will give money, he take that money. He buy with them. But I say if you take up to 500,000 for that money. You know, pay your flight. Pay your flight. You they single knock. You assess may fire money give you back. Una start coach na lower. So na lower be show Solange Marco. The same way una the coach Kobos. So na Kobos be show Ndiveshela Donkey man. Una see what way person go no road no go show una. Una remember so. Kamegonya una go remember so. Now, because Naloa show Solange road, you go knock. They start coach Naloa. Say you don't chop part of the money. Kobo show Ndiveshela road. When I start coach Kobo say you take the part of the Ndiveshela money. Then Ndiveshela they add the Maggie add sort. He called Donkey man talks. You don't ever travel. You go remain only for Africa. Go ask your friend Kobos. I go tell us for the national television. Say that one on a pompori pom. If you say today me and Henza Ayok will get some deal. He can't knock. You go to you don't know hands. You go to attack hands. Ayo. The hands Ayo direct me say na your French on my money. He didn't say that on a number 6 so now on a number last. That number 6 so don't turn on number last. Because over this no block on a ear. Don't go enter inside on a ear so you block on a brain. Banga to the chakara so mob the black the cassava una look out. I the vex because I the put my mom this because I'm picking them. I don't get for the answer all the other wood, the other one they want to fly them because mommy don't answer them. See they no one hear any man talk about born again. Una just pass go to contribute money. Una they support una see or they wanna push me go born. Be after them una too una too no una be pepe. Una go first go and born don't born that's now how no get motivation. I this social media. I don't want to talk me plenty. Tomorrow, we see the social media now. Die. My people wait to carry me. See, the two way this sweet me that say Ndiveshela I don't accept the fact say this community when on YouTube you don't take another hand. Mommy Ndiveshela don't fight and they move fear. The big fives community cleaners them. Yes. Would not bring back freedom of speech. If you hot to know, you walk and go meet your master you backy. If you want to talk again, you slappy. If you want to go in a hot box talk, if you don't hot you. Freedom of speech. It for the community. Freedom of speech don't enter. Ndiveshela don't really write them. So I don't want to hear any Ghana can pass talk for you say. Una. Because we'll be community cleaner. And this saga don't end today. And as long as free don't come for the community, as long as freedom of speech don't come, I raise my case. I don't want to hear any Ghana to mention against something because na the born. Because I see you already talking today. I don't want to hear again. May end today. At the born na me I talk. May end. Big tongue, big boutique. That name say BK. Any man they put name for each other according to how we do. Yes. Me I put a hot box because hot. Now they say I'm a hot box. When I change any I put a hot dog or any I be hot. I be a bunt yo. Now that they put my name according to who I be. So you see big boutique I say a big boutique. Now big tongue. That big tongue so you go attack na villa mama. Una you remember for day. Kara ko pisi fan no follow you. Oh God, they so no. Una remember for day. You see the house? Die. Ndiveshela, thank you for that conclusion. You conclude about this saga. Ndiveshela already conclude this saga.
The outside canton. Anyhow, the media is taking over by Ashawo and Benedes. So you people cannot say anything wrong with that one. Okay.